Hey guys, and welcome. I'd love to invite you to the launch of a business that has been many months in planning, many months in prototyping. We are the Rock Cage Company. Initial offering, a 5-foot pillar along with a 3.5-foot by 10-foot long wall section. We're also going to be offering 7-foot pillars with 5-foot wall sections and 10-foot rock cage pillars with 7-foot wall sections. So the pillars will be sold separately, and then the rock cage wall kits will be sold separately. We put all the rock in with a skid steer so it can hold up to a serious beating. These rock pillars are going to be stackable on a pallet. So you put the base down, you put the pillar on top, you bolt it at the 4 corners, and you're ready to fill it with rock. The wall kits, those come in 2 separate panels. In these sizes, you can actually move these around with one guy pretty easily. The wall sections, you basically pop them up. I say 45 minutes to an hour, you can do every 10 to 12 foot section with 2 guys very quickly. Labor is going to be extremely inexpensive with our system. We're also going to be making rock cage gate pillars. So they'll be flat on the front so that you can hang a gate on it, and then it will transition easily into our rock cage pillars and wall sections easily. We wanted to be able to offer to the mass market to be shipped nationwide something that's high quality, high class, not super expensive, and that can be done as easily by a DIY guy as by a landscape company. These products have not been designed by somebody who's never been in the field. Both me and my partner have been in the construction trades for decades, and we wanted to put something together that a team that does these all the time could probably get 10 foot of wall section with a rock cage pillar and a rock cage wall section done with rock in them, I would say 10 to 15 feet per hour. So we're excited. We're excited to get with landscapers. We're excited to get with homeowners and give you something ridiculously high quality for a really reasonable price. Thank you for your time so far. If you're interested in more of these products coming soon, please like and subscribe. Ask your questions in the comments, and of course, I will leave a link in the description to purchase these products as well. All right, we'll see you guys at the next product introduction. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye.